Amazon Business Strategy 2020. In today's e-commerce world, Amazon is a behemoth. It is broadly considered as having the amazing online site. Amazon has adopted multiple strategies to continue reaching out to new demographics by using solid tech infrastructure and decreasing prices. It continues to adapt and bear evolutionary adjustments to beat out its competition. It continues to be at the pinnacle of its supremacy. Key information about Amazon in 2020. Amazon's popularity is giant round the globe. It has over 310 million active customers and 100 million subscribers worldwide. Being the world's main online retailer, Amazon luggage many achievements, eye-popping profits, and profitable launches. Amazon's marketing landscape is continuously changing. It's steadily expanding its lead in e-commerce. More manufacturers and dealers provide their merchandise through Amazon to gain from this large income potential. The rising competition forces salespeople to have interaction greater intensively with Amazon advertising channels. Today's buyers don't simply use Amazon to purchase stuff. They also use it to test prices, discover new products, and begin product searches. Amazon's commercial enterprise approach can be described as cost leadership taken to the extreme. Range, price, and comfort are placed at the core of Amazon's competitive advantage. Amazon strategy principles. Amazon enterprise approach is guided through these principles. 1. Customer obsession. 2. Passion for invention. 3. Operational excellence. 4. Long-term thinking. 5. Regularly entering into new niches and segments. 6. Strengthening Amazon ecosystem. 7. Focusing on Amazon leadership values. Amazon leads the pack with its modern method of online retailing. It tightening its grip on the e-commerce marketplace. However, the notion leaders at Amazon are in the process of reinventing the very essence of online e-commerce. Fascinating Amazon statistics. Amazon sells over 12 million products, not inclusive of books, wine, media, and services. It has over 310 million lively users, together with 90 million US-based Prime members. Amazon Prime individuals spend almost $1,500 each year. 7% of Prime contributors purchase something each day. Amazon has grown exponentially. It sees over 2,000 new agents every day. Whether you're a veteran Amazon vendor or considering turning into one, it can be an intimidating place. Business model of Amazon. Let's discuss this online retail large in a little depth and recognize the company's business. Customers of Amazon. Amazon's customer base is additionally its most loyal one. Millions of human beings throughout the world have a Prime subscription and pay their rate for their services respectively. It is regarded as a mass market platform, so both consumers and dealers can come together. Its brand is concerned, everybody that inherits web connection is a possible customer. Value of Amazon. The Amazon company in and of itself can't be replicated. The choice of items is proper and broadly sought after. Its convenient and fast-tracked offerings make for a robust strategy as well. Amazon has cemented its function as supplying a safe, reliable, and well-stocked platform for shopping. Competitive pricing, the decision of goods, convenience achievement all elevate weightage to Amazon's value. A channel of Amazon. Different versions exist on the Amazon website that aids and abets clients worldwide. Many associates have also taken their function in performing as a channel for Amazon, like the Amazon Affiliate Program. Amazon's website operates as its biggest channel. Customer relationships of Amazon. Amazon enjoyed a healthy relationship with its customers for a long duration of time. Some of their patron interactions take location with the reviews or comments that can leave on their webpage. Cost structure of Amazon. Amazon's cost shape is driven by using value. Other integral elements utilized in the price shape of Amazon include its patron provider facilities as properly as software development centers throughout the world. Revenue stream of Amazon. Prime stays Amazon's major revenue stream as it is available to extra customers and in turn, generates the most income for them. Other Amazon revenue models consists of the commission and transaction fees it makes from its products as properly as the latest sale of e-books and digital content it has been making use of in its sales. In conclusion, Amazon is an international business enterprise that has to grow to be inseparable from the global economy. It is walking unopposed and unparalleled. As long as it continues to increase new ideas and remain beforehand of its competition, it is destined to stay at the top. Amazon is well worth more than $1 trillion. The investors suggests Amazon be the most profitable firm in the world. They are looking ahead to big income as of 2020.